Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use client approval for time tracking in Zoho Books. This feature allows you to enable a two-stage approval process for time entries, first internally by a project manager, then externally by your client, giving you greater control and transparency over billable hours. Let's start by opening a web browser and navigating to zoho.com/books. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click on Sign In. You'll need to log in with your Zoho credentials to access your account. After signing in successfully, you'll land on your Zoho Books dashboard. Now click on the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the main settings area where you can configure various features. From the Settings page, look for the Module Settings section under the General tab and click on Timesheet. This is where all your time tracking configurations are managed. In the Timesheet configuration menu, locate the Timesheet Approval section. Here you'll see an option that says Enable Customer Approvals for Time Entries. Tick this box and a pop-up window will appear explaining the access you'll be granting to your client. This transparency ensures you understand exactly what permissions your client will have when reviewing time logs. Next, check the box for Enable Approvals for Time Entries and click Save to activate the approval system. This establishes the foundation for your approval workflow. With the global setting enabled, it's time to configure individual projects. Go back to time tracking and then select Projects from the menu. Here you'll see all your existing projects. Click on New Project to create a fresh one, or select an existing project where you want to enable client approval. This flexibility means you can apply approvals selectively based on project requirements. In the Project Details screen, look for the option that says Enable Approvals for Time Entries and click Yes beside it. This activates the approval process specifically for this project. You'll then need to select a project manager from the drop-down menu. This person will be responsible for the initial internal approval of time entries before they're sent to the client for final review. Once you've made your selection, click Save to update the project settings. And that's it. You've successfully set up client approval for time tracking in Zoho Books. Your time entries will now go through a two-tier approval process, ensuring accuracy and client satisfaction before billing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.